Today I'm going to talk about a yoga flow for hormonal imbalance tailored to different phases of our menstrual cycle. Each phase requires a different approach to support hormonal health. From day 1 to 5 menstrual phase, you have to focus on rest and relaxation and gentle movements to ease cramps and reduce fatigue. Flow for menstrual phase includes child's pose to relax and restore energy, Supta Baddha Kona Asana, reclined bound angle pose to open up the hips and relax the body, seated forward fold, gentle stretch of the lower back and hamstrings helps. So you have to focus on slowing down, breathing deeply, and honoring your need for rest. Second is follicular phase from day 16 to 14. Focus on energizing your body, build strength, and stimulate creativity as estrogen rises. During follicular phase, your energy starts to rise. So it's the best time to build strength and flexibility. Yoga flow for follicular phase includes downward facing dog to energize the body and stretch the back, warrior 1 and 2 to build strength, cobra pose to stimulate the thyroid and open the chest, bridge pose to strengthen the glutes and embrace the rise in energy and power with each movement. Third phase is the ovulatory phase. From days 14 to 21, focus on boosting your confidence and strength. Engage in dynamic movements. During ovulation, your energy is at its peak. So flow with dynamic movements to build confidence and vitality. Yoga flow for this phase is Warrior 3 to improve balance and strength, Plank to Chaturanga to build core strength and stability, Chair pose, engage the legs and core, Camel pose to open the chest and throat to boost confidence. Honor your vibrant energy with bold and empowering movement. Fourth is luteal phase from day 22 to 28. In this, focus should be on calming the nervous system, support digestion, and ease PMS symptoms. So during this luteal phase, your body may crave rest and grounding. Eat light. Yoga flow for this phase is wide-legged forward fold. Release tension in the lower back and hamstrings. Pigeon pose to open up the hips and release emotional tension. Seated twist to detoxify and aid digestion. Shavasana with deep breathing to calm the nervous system. Yoga Nidra to calm the whole body and promote relaxation. This flow supports the body's natural rhythms throughout the menstrual cycle, offering balance and care to regulate hormones. You also have to focus on your meal, keep it simple, keep it healthy, allow your body to rest and restore during this phase. Focus on self-care and deep breath work. Namaste.